Hey, good morning. Welcome to your quick and effective morning yoga routine. If you want to wake up your body, gently stretch out any stiffness and fire up your core in just 5 minutes, then you're in for a treat. This routine is designed to be efficient and invigorating, setting a positive tone for your entire day. You're in the right place. I'm so glad you're here to prioritize your well-being. I'll walk you through a quick morning stretch and strength routine focusing on core engagement and gentle flexibility. Perfect for yoga beginners. So whether you're new to yoga or just looking for a short, sweet morning practice, this is for you. You don't need any fancy equipment, just yourself. No need for expensive props or a complicated setup. A mat and a willingness to start your day strong. Just bring your focus and intention to the mat. Let's get started. Take a moment to center yourself, maybe close your eyes, and set an intention for your practice. Find a comfortable spot on your mat, and let's begin in child's pose. This is a wonderful way to ground yourself and connect with your breath. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, let your forehead sink into the mat, releasing any tension you might be holding in your neck and shoulders. Stretch your arms forward, reaching towards the top of your mat. Feel your back gently open up. Allow your hips to relax towards your heels. Stay here for a couple of breaths, letting your body wake up. Notice the gentle rise and fall of your breath. Now let's move into tabletop. Gently lift your torso, bringing your shoulders over your wrists and your hips over your knees. Hands under shoulders, knees under hips. Ensure your weight is evenly distributed. We're going to flow into cat-cow. This is a fantastic way to mobilize your spine and improve flexibility. Inhale, drop your belly, lift your head and tailbone. This is cow. Feel the stretch in your abdomen and chest. Exhale, round your back, tuck your chin. This is cat. Feel the gentle stretch between your shoulder blades. Move through this a few times, letting your spine warm up and your breath guide you. Synchronize your movement with your breath, inhaling into cow and exhaling into cat. Next, let's fire up that core. We're going to move into a pose that will challenge your balance and strengthen your abdominal muscles. From tabletop, extend your right leg straight back and your left arm forward. Keep your core engaged to maintain stability. Engage your belly. Think about pulling your belly button up toward your spine. This will help protect your lower back and activate your core muscles. Hold for a breath, then switch sides. Left leg back, right arm forward. Remember to maintain a straight line from your head to your heel. You've got this. One more time each side. Focus on your balance and core engagement. Now tuck your toes and lift into downward facing dog. This is a great pose for stretching your entire body. Hips up and back, heels reaching toward the mat. Don't worry if your heels don't touch the ground. Just focus on lengthening your spine. Pedal out your feet if you like, stretching those calves. This can help release tension in your legs and ankles. From here, shift forward into plank. Engage your core and keep your body in a straight line. Don't worry, we're not holding for ages. Just a brief moment to build strength and stability. Just feel your whole body working, especially your core. Keep breathing deeply and evenly. Hold for one deep breath, and then lower your knees gently to the mat. This is a great modification if you need a break. Finish with a gentle twist. Twisting poses are excellent for detoxification and improving spinal mobility. Sit back onto your heels, bring your left hand to your right knee, and twist gently to the right. Keep your shoulders relaxed and your chest open. Inhale, feel your spine grow tall, creating space between your vertebrae. Exhale, twist a little deeper. Only go as far as feels comfortable for your body. Switch sides. Repeat the same process on the left side, bringing your right hand to your left knee and twisting gently to the left. Take a final, slow breath in and let it go. Release any remaining tension with your exhale. And just like that, you've given your body a powerful, energizing start to the day in just 5 minutes. Congratulations on completing your morning yoga routine. Remember, it's not about being perfect, it's about showing up for yourself. Every little bit counts, and consistency is key. Come back to this routine any morning you need a quick boost. Make it a part of your daily ritual for lasting benefits. Thanks for joining me. Have an amazing day ahead. Namaste, and I'll see you on the mat again soon.